a quick and a powerful formula to combine values based on a condition. So let's have a look. All right, so here I have these two columns here, where in the first column I have the type of the function, and in the column B, which is the second column, I have name of the functions. Now what I want here, I want to have a small table where I have all the functions related to single type, let's say logical, into a single cell, and that table will look something like this, where I have the type and then I have all the functions, the name of the functions in a single cell. So for this, I need to combine all these functions into single cell, but I need to use a condition here, and that condition is the type of the function. So for this, first of all, let me just use the unique function here to get all the names of the types, and by call false, and by return every distinct item. So the moment I hit enter, I get all the type of the functions. Now the next thing is to get all these functions for a particular type in a single cell. So for this, I'm going to use the filter function first, filter function, and here's the array that I want in my result. And in the include argument, I'm going to specify the type column where I have name of the type of the functions. And along with that, I'm going to specify a condition, and that condition is to test the logical type or any other type. So I'll close this function, and you can see I have got all the functions for the logical type. But the point is, I want all these names in a single cell. So I will wrap the filter function by using TEXTJOIN function. And in the TEXTJOIN function, I have the first argument, that is delimiter, and I'm going to specify a comma and a space. So I'm using these double quotation marks. And in the second argument, I'm going to say true to ignore empty cell. And in the third argument, I already have filter function that returns all the name of the functions for a particular type that is logical for the, where I'm inserting this function. And now the moment I hit enter, you can see I have got all the names for logical type in a single set. Now let me simply freeze this range and freeze this one also. And my formula is ready. And now the moment I drag this formula down, I get all the names for particular functions into a single cell. So this is something you can do if you want to combine your data from, a large set to a small table using a condition.